Python is known for its simple and clean syntax. It does not require to put semicolon to end a statement, instead we just enter and start a new line. Again, because of the unique structure of the Python, there is no need of curly braces to make a block of code, for instance a function or conditional block. Here's an example of a basic program that uses the print function to display text. Notice that Python code is written line by line, and each statement executes sequentially. Unlike other programming languages that use braces or keywords, Python uses indentation to define blocks of code. Let's try this in our code. First, we code an example with proper indentation. And run this. This will work without an error. Now let's increase one space before the second print statement and see what happens. That gave us an error. So Python wants us to be quite meticulous about the indentation of our code blocks. Indentation tells Python which lines of code belong together. For example, in this block, the indented line is part of the if statement. We didn't indent properly, so Python raised an error. Comments help us explain what the code does. They're ignored by Python when the program runs. Single-line comments start with a hash symbol, like this. For longer explanations, you can use multi-line comments, which are written inside triple quotes. Though they are not truly intended as comments, but Python ignores literal strings that are not assigned to any variable, so they act as comments. I hope you'll find this tutorial useful. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.